Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick tutorial. In today's video, I will teach you how to make Bruce Lee in Infinite Craft. So in order to do that, let's head over and add in here earth, and on this earth add water. Now we have plant. So for this plant right here, let's head over and add another element, which is plant, then merge that together. Now we have tree. So for this tree, let's add another tree. Now we have forest. So for this forest, let's add another forest. Now we have jungle. So for this jungle, let's add in here another forest, and then let's add another tree. Now we have wood. So for this wood, let's add another tree for that. Now we have paper. So for this paper, add another paper. Now we have book. So merge that. Now we have Tarzan. So since we already have Tarzan, let's put that aside for now, and let's add in here jungle. And now we have monkey. So for this monkey right here, you can just put that aside and then put in here another element and another water. Now we have lake and then ocean. Then let's add earth to that. Now we have island. Let's add island to island. Now we have continent. So for this continent right here, let's add in here earth and then let's add another earth. Now we have mountain. Let's put that continent. Then we have Asia. So let's put in here another earth and another wind. Now we have dust. So let's put plant to that. Now we have pollen. So for this pollen, let's add water. Now we have honey. So for this honey, let's add in here mountain. Now we have bear. So let's add that to Asia. We have panda. So for this panda right here, we just need to put monkey to panda. Now we have kung fu. So for that kung fu, let's put that aside. And then in here, let's add in here water. And then wind. So let's put that. Now we have wave. Now let's add tree. Now we have surfboard. So let's add in here ocean as well. Now we have surfer. So for this surfer, let's add paper. Now we have paper boy. So let's add another paper. Now we have newspaper. So for this newspaper, let's put it aside again. And then let's add in here dust. Let's add in here earth. Now we have planet. So let's add another planet to that. We have star. Then add newspaper to star. We have celebrity. Let's add celebrity to kung fu. Now we have Bruce Lee. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.